Hi, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel Coral Blush. So tonight, just got a little easy tea. Got some southern fried chicken, some normal battered chicken and some fries. And here is my sauce I make, which is a tub of cream cheese, a half a tub of cream, double cream, and some 2 teaspoons of ready crushed garlic mixed in. Tastes lovely. So let's try a chip in. Lovely, that sauce. Anything creamy garlicky tastes lush, I think. Try that one. Just nice crispy battered chicken. Dunked in some creamy garlicky sauce, cheese sauce. Wow. Cream cheese and the garlic taste beautiful. I'm gonna have another one of them. Oh. I wish you could taste it with this. Have a bite. Tastes lovely. Coca-Cola, as normal. I've just fed everybody else. Dad's took the kids upstairs, given them a bath. So I thought I'll have mine in peace once they're all upstairs. These chips are lovely. Nice and thick. Felt a bit off today. Just like nothing actually wrong as in illness, just like when you just can't be bothered with anything and you just need a day off from life. So my lovely partner let us literally just chill all day. He took the kids to school before he went to work. And then left work to go and pick them back up. So I've had a nice chill out day. I think sometimes mums need a chill out day, where they don't have to worry about anyone but themselves. So that was nice of Kenny. Southern fried. I think sometimes as a mum you just like a robot, just do everything without complaining, because obviously being a mother is being a mother. It's what everybody has to do. But I think you need to take a bit of time out for yourself, like to restore and remember who you actually are. So that was nice of Kenny to give us a break. He's great anyway. He does things around the house without being told, or he just sees something that needs done, he does it. He's like a modern man. He's not a male chauvi that just expects women to do everything. Nah, he's a diamond. Shout out to Kenny. Been together 10 years. Been engaged for 7 years. We haven't got married yet. Just basically because of money and finances. It takes a lot of money to get married. We moved house 3 years ago, so that took a chunk out of money. And a house is a greedy thing. You're constantly putting money and time and everything into a house, getting it how you want. So that's been put on the back burner, marriage. Well, we will one day. There's too many things I want, really. I still think of loads of things I want in my house, but I have to earn the money first. I feel like my last video I done was alright in that, but you couldn't really see me food. Don't think you were really impressed with that one. I didn't get as many likes as me chili cheese fries. Got plenty likes on that. I'm loving B Love's new editing. I love that song they play at the beginning of the videos. You have to like boogie to it. The great her Nate and her sons. I struggle to think like, what can I make now for? Because I mean, we can't like go out and buy loads of lush food all the time because it's very expensive. We're not that rich. I love to go and get takeout every night, but it's a treat in our house. Oh, pardon me. Pardon me, monsieur. Butter chicken. Got like a buttery taste, that chicken. It's gonna be the bad one. Didn't seem that much on there, but I'm getting really full. Coming up to Valentine's Day. What do you and your lovers do on Valentine's Day? Two dogs are down there greeting, hoping for us to drop something. I have one more of these. Pardon me, my Coke's making me burp. Getting the burpees. because I love chicken. Chicken's the favourite. They just know whenever I cook chicken, they just stand by my feet whenever I cook chicken. They love it. So you'll have to give us some ideas what you want us to eat. Bear in mind I'm in England, so I don't have all these lovely places what the Americans have. Oh, I would love if we had like a is it Wingstop? Looks Wingstop. The Parmesan garlic Wingstop, the boneless one. That's Steven Sushi, is he called? Oh, he always uploads them. It doesn't always, but I've seen a few of him do that. Loves his ranch. We don't get ranch over here. So I'm full. Can't really think of anything else to say. But keep giving us likes and subscribe to my channel, please. I'm trying to build it up as much as I can. Share my page on my YouTube channel, whatever it's called. Still not a professional YouTuber yet. I still like to see us commenting, liking, subscribing. Tell your friends to do the same. And give us some ideas like what you want us to eat. Type of things you want to know about us. Give us some questions down in the comments and I'll answer them in my next video. Okay? So, thanks for joining us when I've had my tea. Hope to see you soon. See you later.